Hello students, I am your English teacher Mr. Devesh Singh. This is the last video of your chapter The Fighter, and I hope with the help of this video you will clear the conclusion of this chapter. Now I am going to proceed this chapter from this passage. Rahul dived headlong and smacked. Before this passage, student, I had explained you that finally Rahul took a great risk. He dived over the big stones, and this was the greatest risk taken by him. Now what happened? You see here. Rahul dived headlong and smacked. To capture the ball, Rahul dived straightly. Smack means directly. The ball landed in his hand, and now he was capable to capture the ball. The next moment he felt a sharp pain. As soon as he caught the ball, there was a sudden jerk, a sudden pain he felt and passed out, and at once he became unconscious. Means मूर्छित हो जाना, बेहोश हो जाना, senseless हो जाना. When Rahul opened his eye, he saw a sea of faces staring at him, all anxious, worried and excited. But after some time, Rahul opened his eye, and when he opened his eye, he saw many people were standing before him. Everyone was very, very excited, worried, upset about him, and they were watching to him. Hey Rahul, are you okay? It was Ranga. Meanwhile, the bowler Ranga shouted, Rahul, are you okay? Can you get up? The coach was asking him, and then the coach also started to ask about the health of Rahul, that is he able to get up? Concern writ large on his face. The coach trying to concern towards his face, so he said such type of words to make him confident. Boys, please let him get some fresh air. He heard the authoritative voice of Dr. Acharya. Dr. Acharya was the coach of Rahul's team. Dr. Acharya announced, he requested the boys to make a gap for Rahul so that he could get some fresh air that will be beneficial for him. Rahul heard the authoritative, commanding voice of the coach. What happened? With the pain, Rahul tried to speak. What happened, sir? Did I take the catch? And he had no idea that he had caught the ball or not. So he asked here, did I take the catch? Rahul managed to ask. After them, Rahul managed himself to ask, of course you did. And then there was a sound approached near him, that really you caught the ball. What a catch it was, spectacular. And the voice once again said, You have caught a very super wondrous catch, the best I have seen, and it was the best catch that I have seen. मीन्स अभी तक के मैंने जितने भी कैच देखे हैं उसमें से सबसे बेस्ट कैच था. इट ओन अस द मैच मैन. और तुम्हारे उसी कैच ने हमें मैच को जिता दिया. द साउंड वाज कमिंग इनटू द ईयर्स ऑफ राहुल. The voices were droning each other. At that time, many fielders, players were trying to have a conversation with Rahul. So, their sounds were droning each other. Droning means होता है डूब जाना. मीन्स एक ही में सबकी बातें समाहित हो रही थी, टकरा रही थी, मिक्स हो जा रही थी. We won! Really? Rahul exclaimed. Then, in extremely happiness, Rahul exclaimed with joy, "We won! Really, we won!" This was his happiness. "Yes, we did, fighter, thanks to you." Then, this was another sounds for Rahul, that Rahul appreciating, everyone was appreciating Rahul, saying that, "Fighter, you are our fighter, and thank you so much, our fighter. You dedicated yourself so that we won the match." Rahul looked up. Then Rahul looked up and he had not even noticed that his head was in Imran's lap. और तब तक राहुल अभी नोटिस नहीं कर पाया था. उसने जब नोटिस किया तो पाया कि राहुल का जो हेड था वो इमरान के लैप में, मीन्स गोद में पड़ा हुआ था, और उसी के गोद में राहुल लेटा था, बोल रहा था. "How do you feel, buddy?" Imran asked. Then Imran asked, friend, now you are good. How do you feel? कैसा फील करते हो? अब तुम ठीक हो ना? "We won the match. How else will I be feeling except great?" And the captain Imran said, "We won the match. This is a matter of joy, and I am feeling extremely great because we won the final match, and all the credit goes to you." "That is the spirit, man," drawled Ranga. Drawled means spoke slowly, धीरे से बोलना. तब जो बॉलर रंगा था, रंगा ने बोला, "That is the spirit." वही तो स्पिरिट है मैन, यही तो स्पिरिट है, यही तो प्रेम है. दिस इज़ द ट्रू लव, दिस इज़ द ट्रू अफेक्शन फॉर ईच अदर. रंगा स्पोक स्लोली. "Rahul will be okay. The cut is not deep. I have taken care that." This was the sound of the coach, Dr. Acharya. Dr. Acharya said that this is the not matter of worry. Rahul will be okay very soon, and his cut is also not deep, and I have taken care of that. Means I have looked after of that, and I hope he will recover himself very soon. There is nothing to worry. And he also expected that we should not worry about him because the cut, the wound is not deep. a couple of painkillers and he will be fighting fit, Dr. Acharya said. Dr. Acharya said he will take a couple of painkillers and after that he will be fit once again to fight in the field, Dr. Acharya said. The coach, Mr. Dr. Acharya, said it very confidently that once again very soon our fighter will be in the ground. Yes, I am sure of that. After all, he is our best fighter, Imran said, and everyone cheered. And now, this is the last moment of this chapter, the last line. The Captain Imran said, yes, I am also sure of that he will recover very soon. And after all, he is our best fighter. And the captain appreciated him, saying that he is not an ordinary man, ordinary player. He is our fighter. And this was a great commitment from the captain. This commitment made happy everyone, and everyone cheered, everyone enjoyed, because it was not an ordinary statement. This statement has a great power to remove all the doubts, all the dispute between Rahul and Imran. So Imran said such type of sentence for Rahul. Rahul was also happy that his dedication is now succeed, and there was a great happiness among the team because finally they had won the match. And with this all explanation, this chapter had completed. The chapter's writers, Mr. Ravindra Kumar, had explained everything very well related to the fighter. The real fighter was Rahul, so the chapter also goes for him, and the chapter's heading is also on the name of this player. Rahul means the fighter. That's okay. Now, till then, the next video, the next class, you will enjoy your day. Goodbye.